The interface that you use to access the internet on your computer, whether it's Internet Explorer, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, there's so many out there. But you can do more to improve your web surfing experience. And Jason Davis from Tech2U is here to talk about the browser extensions, as they are known, and how you can use them to superpower your browser. It makes it sound so exciting.
Right, it does. But basically what a browser extension is it's like an app for your phone, except for your browser. So it's a program that will integrate into your web browser to give you added features like blocking pop-ups or integrating things like Pinterest into your browsing experience.
Okay.
And the cool thing is that most of these extensions are free.
Okay, so tell us more about them. How do we find them?
Well, AdBlock is the first one. So this is probably the most reliable and best pop-up blocking extension. And it's free to use on all internet browsers. So basically it blocks pop-ups without interfering with your user experience. It can block banners, pop-up ads, and also those videos on YouTube and Facebook, which are like the most annoying, right? YouTube ads are the worst. So this takes care of them. It also helps protect you with blocking malware. And it's also, you can allow certain acceptable ads, stuff you wouldn't mind seeing. So you can set that so you can still see some stuff.
Okay.
But it's like I said, all available on all major browsers. So that's the one to start with.
Quick question, because when you go to YouTube and there's an ad, don't they have to show that ad? So there's actually a way where you can avoid watching it?
If you have ad block, it'll go right to your video, no ads.
Okay, good to know. What else is there?
So we got one called Coupons at Checkout. Sounds exactly like the name, right?
Yeah.
So it'll automatically pull any coupons from the website you're shopping online for. Then once you get to your cart, you can click the red promo code box for potential coupons. If any of them apply, just put them up right there. You'll get the savings. And that one's good on Safari, Chrome, and Firefox.
Okay.
And then we have the panic button, which is really cool if you're working on something you don't want other people to see and they walk into the room. Instead of struggling to close all your browsers, you just click the panic button and it'll bring up a page that you set, like maybe your email inbox, just to look normal.
Okay.
But it saves the work you were doing in a different folder so that you can relaunch it later.
Is this for those sneaky people at work who like to go shopping online?
Right.
Amy Caraba.
Exactly. So it's like, your boss doesn't see you scrambling. Instead, you just click the one button.
All right. We're going to have to download that right after the show. Amy, what do you think?
Taking notes. I have my pen. Panic
She's
button.
ready. Yes.
Got it.
So the next one is Mighty Text, and it's basically like iMessage. So iPhone users have had this function for a while, but Android phone users haven't. So you can download the Mighty Text app on your phone and then get the browser extension on your browser. Then you can text from your computer, and you can also easily transfer videos and photos from your phone to your computer. And that one works on most major browsers as well. So it's really convenient, and it works with all Android phones.
Wow. Okay. Well, you've covered a lot so far.
Right. I got one more.
Okay.
So it's Grammarly. It's basically a spell check and grammar checker in your browser, so you don't have to copy and paste to Microsoft Word anymore to check those paragraphs,
Okay.
And it's actually a lot better than the spell check in Word because it offers suggestions and synonyms, and it also identifies when words are used out of context, So it helps you spell check there more than Word does.
So that sounds pretty intuitive then, if it can even tell the context of your words.
Right.
Okay, we also have an app of the day. It's called Bond Journal. Tell us about
this.
this.
So this app of the week, it's free on iOS devices, and it's basically a travel journal app.
Okay.
So what you can do is you can turn your trip memories into narratives, right? So you can upload the notes and any diary entries. You can also add images from your phone. The coolest part is you don't have to be online. Right, so if you're out in the middle of nowhere and you want to take a picture and be able to upload it or something like that, you can save it, and once you find an entry that you really like, you're able to convert it to a PDF and share it via email or social media anywhere you want.
Oh, I like that for people who are on maybe trips where you don't have cell service and it's intermittent throughout the trip.
Exactly.
Okay.
So you can still keep track.
Love it. You're always full of so much knowledge. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you.